all-purpose flour 1 cups, baking powder 2 1/4 sp. Mix well. Room temperature butter 113. Granulated sugar 1 cup. Brown sugar 1 cup. Peanut butter 1 cup. Mix well. 2 eggs. Vanilla extract 1 tablespoon. Dry ingredients flour and baking powder. Make small ball. Prick the top of the cookies with a fork. Bake in a preheated oven at 355 for 15 minutes. Peanut butter is ready. Very crispy and crunchy cookies are ready. You should also try this recipe. If you like the video, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.